This is a quick tutorial on activating airplane mode on the Sony Z1 running the KitKat operating system. Press the power button on the right, press airplane mode in the middle. Airplane mode is now on. You'll see it with the airplane mode icon on the top right. To deactivate airplane mode, press the power button on the right, then press your airplane mode button in the middle. Airplane mode is now off. That's all there is to it. The reason you might want to activate airplane modes if you're on an airplane and you want to be within the FAA rules. FAA rules are changing though, so another good use of the airplane mode is to save battery life if you don't need to necessarily talk to people in the outside world and you just want to play games on your phone for the maximum amount of time. Alright, thanks for watching. This has been a My Deal Stash video. We hope you come back to watch other My Deal Stash videos sometime soon.
My Deal Stash.